Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking Zindagi. Today, let's see how to prepare crispy and very delicious whole wheat coconut biscuits at home in a jiffy. These are healthy version of biscuits as they have a blend of healthy ingredients and a combination of whole wheat flour, coconut oil and jaggery. Do you remember nice biscuits from childhood? These biscuits taste similar to them. Let's see how to prepare. Take 3 tablespoons of jaggery in a mixing bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Mix everything for at least 2 minutes. Next add half teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 to 3 tablespoons of warm milk, now mix everything well until the jaggery is completely dissolved. As the milk is warm, jaggery gets dissolved easily. Half cup plus 2 tablespoons of whole wheat flour, 1/4 tablespoon of baking powder, 3 to 4 tablespoons of desiccated coconut. You can also add more coconut if you wish to. Now take a spoon and mix everything well. Once everything comes together, start mixing with the help of your hands to form a dough. Once the dough is formed, pinch a small lemon-sized dough and spread it in your hands to ensure that it's flattened and is also not too sticky. Now place it back and shape it a dough. Now take this dough onto a parchment paper. Now cover the dough with another layer of parchment paper. With the help of a rolling pin, start rolling to flatten the dough as much as possible. Now remove the top parchment paper. With the help of a cookie cutter or a round shaped lid, make circular cuts on the dough. Make as many as possible. Now remove them carefully. You can see in the video. Now place them onto a parchment paper. Now bake them in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes. For chocolate sauce, take chopped cooking chocolate in a bowl and melt this in a microwave. Now add 1 teaspoon of butter to it and mix it well. Butter melts easily as chocolate is warm. Now take the baked biscuits and dip them in the chocolate sauce halfway through. Sprinkle some desiccated coconut onto the other half. This is completely optional. Our yummy and tasty whole wheat coconut biscuits are ready to serve. You can prepare the biscuits thin or thick, which is based on your preference. I have prepared them thin for crispy and crunchy texture. It is very simple and easy recipe. Mix all the ingredients in a bowl and just few steps away to make these delicious biscuits. Try this recipe for your little ones and do let us know how it turns out. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Happy cooking, Zindagi!